Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I will be showing you how to make 4 different amazing TNT cannons. Let's get started. So this is the first cannon. So first I'm gonna show you how this works. So first place a Moonstone Explosive here, then another one here, and then a third one here. Then you wait till it shoots. So for this cannon you're gonna need extra compressed messy stone and Moonstone Explosive. So the first thing you wanna do is a platform of 2 blocks width and 6 blocks long. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now follow my block placement. I'm gonna make a line of blocks here, place another block here, and then make a line above. And there your cannon is finished. So you're just gonna place your TNT here, and boom, there you go. Triplet cannon, because it can shoot 3 TNTs at once. Let me show you. So you place one here, and 3 others here, and boom, it shoots the 3. So something I forgot to mention is that it is preferable to make your TNT cannons at a high altitude so it shoots the TNT longer. So to make this cannon, you're gonna first need to make a platform of 7 by 6 blocks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then make it. Just like that. Then, after you're finished with the platform, follow my block placement. Place 8 blocks here. So this will be place for the first TNT that will ignite the all 3. Then place 3 here, another line here, here, and here. Also don't forget to place 2 blocks here. And there you go. Just place your TNT, and boom. The double cannon, since it can shoot 2 TNTs at the same time. Let me show you. So you place one here and the 2 other here, and kaboom, it shoots it. So for this cannon you're gonna need a platform of 5 blocks width and 6 blocks long. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then do this. Then place 8 blocks here. So this will be the room for like the TNT that will ignite both. Then place a line here, another one here, and another one here. So there your cannon is finished. You just place the TNT, and boom. So now this cannon can shoot 2 TNTs at the same time. So place 1 TNT here and 2 others here at the corners, and boom, it shoots them. So to make this cannon, you're first gonna tower up like 5 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then go back 2 blocks. 1, 2. Go up 2 blocks. 1, 2. Go 2 blocks on both sides like this. Then place 2 blocks here and another 2 blocks here. Place 1 block here and 1 block here. Then follow my block placement like that. Do this at the other side. Then place the blocks like this. and boom, your cannon is finished. Just place the TNT and wait it to shoot. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and see you in the next video.